This is a Mazda 5, which has these kind of vents that open and close, and they have a pretty complex mechanism inside, as you can see. Now what happened is one of these part of one of the end of one of these broke off in this one here. Now when you purchase this device for 40 bucks, you get not only the insert but the piece that it slides into, which is around the outside here, this silver piece. In order to replace that, quote, properly, you would need to take the entire dash off, which I'm not about to do. So I figured out a way of removing this, theoretically. We're going to see if it works, which is to take the three little notches here. These little notches, there's three of them. 1, 2, 3. And those hold it in place. They hold it in. And actually just to remove those, or whatever, bend them in on the one in the car. So 2 out of 3 I've done. I thought I'd make a video of this because I never saw anything like this online. So this one you can see has been pulled in. Let's see if I can get some more light on here. That one's been pulled in. This one I pulled in. In order to do that, I actually melted it with a little soldering gun near the base, and then just pried it up and in. And then the third one I'm going to do next, right here. Obviously, I removed all the guts with a pair of needle nose pliers to be able to better do that process. Okay, let's see how this goes. Whoops. Alright, so it was just melted a little bit at the hinge there. And next, I apologize for the jiggly camera work. Next, to just pry that up and in. Hard to do with one hand. There it is. That one is still holding. I need to actually pry it more. I need 2 hands. Alright, so I got that third one out of the way, and then this just slides out. Very simple, very easy. So, very good. Now I should be able to pop the new one in. And it just goes around and around. There's a little thing on the side that gives it its kind of feel. Hold it in position. But yeah, there's a little nugget in here I'm going to try to get out. Oh yes, I can reach it. A little nugget. The piece that originally broke, causing this whole mess. Alright, so there is a foam piece that wants to go in there, but I think it will go right in. So yep, it just slides right in, and boom, we're done. Fixed. As good as new. There's no right or wrong way to put it in there. Alright, thank you very much. This is Craig from Ipswich, over and out.